Convert low-quality video to 4K.
Add your video in CapCut. Tap on Adjust. Tap Graphs. Copy these settings. Apply these. Now export this video. Add original video. Tap Overlay. Add exported video in Overlay. Adjust it on the video. Tap on Blend. Tap Burns. Adjust opacity to 20. Now tap Adjust. Adjust the settings according to your video. Video is ready now. Export it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.